Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Hyper-realistic rooftop garden, vibrant colorful flowers and plants, variety of greens, yellows, pinks, purples, and oranges, gravel pathways, low wooden patio furniture, modern style house, sun-drenched and sunny, raised beds, outdoor living space, terrace design, lush greenery, lots of textures, detailed, high-angle view, natural light, geometric patterns in the gravel and patio, comfortable lounge seating, wood patio furniture with simple lines, lots of different types of shrubs and flowers, calm and relaxing atmosphere, modern home with a focus on a beautiful garden, detailed leaves and flowers, realism. A meticulously designed, urban rooftop garden. Hyper-realistic, with a strong focus on detail. A large, mature bonsai tree is the focal point, centered in a gravel and stone-filled bed. The garden is surrounded by a variety of greenery, including bamboo, shrubs, and other plants in dark gray/brown planters. Large, dark gray rocks are strategically placed within the gravel garden. Wooden borders frame the garden bed, creating a strong visual separation. Tall brick/concrete buildings are visible in the background, creating a contrast between the urban environment and the serene atmosphere of the garden. Warm sunlight casts shadows across the wooden decking and plants. A photorealistic backyard garden scene. Rustic wooden raised garden beds, various shades of brown, extend along a pathway of light gray flagstone pavers set on a bed of small, speckled gravel. Vibrant colorful flowers, including yellow marigolds and red flowers, are nestled amongst leafy green herbs and vegetables. A dark gray metal planter is visible. A wooden trellis is seen in the background, partially obscured by foliage. A dark gray/black, modern wooden wall features vertical planter boxes filled with herbs and plants. Natural light illuminates the scene. The building in the background is dark gray/black. The overall feeling is relaxing and inviting, a curated urban garden space. Focus on the plants and the light/shadow interaction. A photorealistic backyard garden scene. Rustic wooden raised garden beds, various shades of brown, extend along a pathway of light gray flagstone pavers set on a bed of small, speckled gravel. Vibrant colorful flowers, including yellow marigolds and red flowers, are nestled amongst leafy green herbs and vegetables. A dark gray metal planter is visible. A wooden trellis is seen in the background, partially obscured by foliage. A dark gray/black, modern wooden wall features vertical planter boxes filled with herbs and plants. Natural light illuminates the scene. The building in the background is dark gray/black. The overall feeling is relaxing and inviting, a curated urban garden space. Focus on the plants and the light/shadow interaction. Hyper-realistic outdoor patio, stone house, mountain view, fire pit, gray lounge chairs, lavender bushes, warm light, gravel patio, low angle, afternoon sun, mid-century modern aesthetic, stone walls, terraced garden, outdoor living, a circular fire pit with flames in the center, gray and light beige outdoor furniture with dark gray cushions, lavender bushes framing the fire pit area. Lush green plants and bushes throughout the outdoor space, a mountain range in the background with warm orange and pink hues in the sky, stone patio slab with a gray pebble base laid out like a terrace, modern Mediterranean style. Hyper-realistic outdoor patio with modern lounge furniture, lush green landscaping, and a view of city buildings. Dark gray paving stones, dark gray gravel, large dark gray/black lounge chairs with orange/peach cushions. Potted plants in dark gray/black planters, a light, slightly warm, orange-brown exterior wall of a building, with vertical bamboo-like slat separating the patio from the building. Large sliding glass doors show a modern interior, lots of greenery, trees, and the distant buildings in the background. Soft lighting, clear day or soft evening light. Photorealistic landscape design, Zen garden, waterfall cascading down stone steps, large boulders, variety of plants and shrubs, yellow, orange, green, brown, and dark gray tones, wooden pergola with slatted walls, black metal framework, contemporary style, natural stone pathways/steps, pebbles in a water basin, relaxation area with lounge chairs underneath the pergola, fine details of the plants and rocks, impressionistic light and shadow, shallow depth of field focusing on the waterfall and plants, well-maintained garden, Japanese garden influences. Hyper-realistic outdoor patio with a stone fireplace, a reflecting pool, and wooden lounge chairs. Sunset sky with vibrant orange, pink, and purple hues. The stonework of the fireplace and patio are a light grayish tan, and the pool water reflects the sunset colors beautifully. Lavender bushes and other low-lying plants are visible around the patio area. A modern wooden pergola-style structure is attached to a section of the house, providing shade. Two wooden Adirondack-style chairs are placed next to the pool, facing the fireplace and the picturesque sunset view. Glass doors from the home open to the patio. Mountains and trees in the background create depth. Hyper-realistic, Zen garden, modern minimalist house, Japanese aesthetic, a tranquil stone and water garden. Lush green foliage, mature trees, a shallow pond with smooth, large, gray-brown rocks with a few round flat stones for stepping or resting on. Water reflecting the foliage and sky is very clear. A modern house with large windows overlooks the garden, clear glass walls framing the outside space seamlessly, dark brown wooden decking extending from the house over the pond. Pebbles and gravel paths complete the landscaping. Warm sunlight filtering through the foliage, soft shadows, calm blue-gray sky hints of city scenery. Calm and serene atmosphere. Photorealistic Zen garden, autumn evening. Large, dark gray, smooth river rock scattered throughout, with a flowing, shallow stream of water cascading over pebbled pathways. Low, moss-covered rocks. A modern, dark wood pavilion with light glowing inside, visible through the structural wood panels. A wooden seating area in front of the pavilion. Vibrant, fiery orange and red maple trees, with other foliage in varying shades of green and brown, including low-lying plants. Light gravel and stone pathways. Warm, golden hour lighting, highlighting the textures and depth of the scene. Japanese style. Calm, serene atmosphere. Soft, diffused light. A vibrant urban garden, hyper-realistic, featuring a winding, paved path of gray stones leading through a colorful landscape. A large, hollow, cylindrical orange structure forms an archway, partially enclosing a seating area. The path meanders through beds of colorful flowers and greenery, including yellows, oranges, reds, pinks, purples, and various shades of green. Orange benches/seating are incorporated throughout the design. The ground is covered with small, dark gray gravel. Buildings with modern architecture, possibly glass and steel, are visible in the background. Lush, healthy foliage and vibrant flowers fill the scene. Photorealistic garden, modern outdoor living space, gray and beige paving stones, gravel path, fire pit, dark gray/black outdoor furniture, sofa poofs, lush greenery, varied plants, grass, shrubs, trees, pergola with dark metal frame, subtle lighting, natural sunlight, calm tranquil atmosphere, impressionistic rendering of the trees and plants, detailed texture on the foliage, well-maintained landscaping, outdoor seating area with fire pit in the center, patio area, wooden privacy. Screen, neutral color palette, soft shadows, focus on natural beauty, peaceful garden scene. A lush, vibrant outdoor patio. Impressionistic, but with a focus on detail. A pergola with a natural bamboo structure shelters a seating area. Thick walls of greenery, various plants and ferns fill the space around a L-shaped sectional sofa made of reclaimed wood pallets. Colorful patterned cushions, in vibrant hues of pink, orange, teal, purple, and mustard yellow, are arranged on the seating. A light brown wooden coffee table sits in the center. A multicolored area rug covers the ground. Hanging wicker baskets add a touch of texture. The light is soft, dappled with the foliage providing a warm atmosphere. Hyper-realistic rooftop terrace, lush greenery, city view, gray and beige outdoor furniture, bright sunlight, orange throw pillows, modern design, round wooden coffee table, urban jungle aesthetic, tropical plants, gray paving stones, patio, view of modern high-rise buildings, partly cloudy sky, sophisticated outdoor living space, natural light, detailed textures of plants and furniture.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.